Hello, dear moms! A blessed day to everyone! Una sa lahat, we would like to thank our Week 2 sharer, Mom Shilea, for that heartfelt and inspiring message. Women who served in devotion, serving even when the heart is heavy. Salamat, Mom Shilea, for reminding us that even in seasons of sorrow, pagod at kabigatan ng puso, tuloy pa rin ang ating paglilingkod bilang mga nanay. Kahit hindi napapansin ng iba, God sees every act of love, every sacrifice, every silent prayer. Na-encourage po kami that our service, kahit simple, kahit tahimik, is precious in the eyes of the Lord. And now, we move forward to Week 3. Our topic is Women Who Came Early to the Tomb, Moving Forward Even with Unanswered Questions, to be shared by Momshi Richelle Cueno. Like the women who went to the tomb early in the morning, they carried questions in their hearts. Who will roll away the stone? Ganito rin tayo minsan bilang moms. Maraming tanong, maraming worries, pero patuloy pa rin tayong umaabante in faith. This coming session, we will be reminded that even when we don't have all the answers, God is already ahead of us. Moving the stones we cannot move on our own. So come and be encouraged as we learn to trust God more in every uncertain season. Join us every Monday, 8 p.m. Philippine time via Zoom. No passcode needed. Don't forget to follow and stay connected with us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Praying Moms at Heart. See you, moms! Let's continue to walk in faith together. God bless.
Every fallen soul he came to save, and he will come again.